So these are the dragon fruit flowers. I have made another detailed video. These are the dragon fruit flowers. In the past, I have made another detailed video about the different stages of dragon fruit flower. I didn't expect it. I just came into the yard and I happened to bump into these beautiful flowers. They are so pure white, probably whiter than jasmine. So this is the male pollen and those are the female pollen. And this flower would close probably in about 3-4 hours. When it closes, this male and female pollen, they all will touch together. That's how it will become a fruit gradually. It must have been blossomed sometime around 3 or 4 o'clock early morning. That's when it does. It is so pretty. And there is another one here. So once the flower drools and falls off, the dragon fruit starts developing back here. And this is in a bit advanced stage, this dragon fruit. And this is on another plant. This is a relatively new plant. So fruit plants usually attract lots of bugs. So this is a trap for them. This is also newer plant, but there are no flowers yet. There are some more newer plants here. They are so pretty. I think it will blossom probably in 2 to 3 days. And so is this one as well. Bigger the flower, bigger will be the fruit. This is not going to stay.